All right, here we go. Welcome back. It's working. Thanks, guys, for stopping by. I appreciate it. So, this video might be annoying to some of you because I've been uploading a few too many videos probably each day, but I want to just give a huge shout out to all my subscribers. There's so many new ones each and every day, but this is mainly a ginormous shout out to those who have been there the longest for me since back in the beginning, and also some of my most talkative or people that leave me the most comments or stuff like that. So I'm just going to give a huge shout out to everyone. I know I'm already going to miss some people, but you know who you are and you know how much I appreciate you. So just want to give a shout out. I'm not going to go through all of them. I don't know how many pages there are, but there is a lot. And this looks like my first subscriber here. I mean, obviously when I started my channel, I think other people subscribed to me, but the longest known subscriber right here on my channel right now is Coderman. So a huge shout out. He's been here from the beginning. He's still subscribed to me, obviously, you can tell. So obviously, okay, I'm doing terrible at this. All my subscribers are right here. So boom, still subscribed. So Coderman's been here since the beginning, since I started uploading videos, which was like, I think I started doing daily videos like 2018 or something like that. So I think he was here before I even really started my channel, when I had under 50 subscribers. But right now it says he's my longest known subscriber. And I know Kevin right here was number 3 or 4, one of my subscribers, and it looks like he is 4th on the list. But anyways, a huge shout out to Kevin and his wife, who always watch my videos sometimes when they want to. Just all those people who have supported me just from the beginning. Huge shout out to my friend Guy right here. I'm just going down the list. J-Rock and One Brain Four Wheels. Matt is hot. Trina Anderson. Yellow Vet, huge supporter of the channel. Been here since basically top 50 as well as Coderman. Rico Suave's always supported me. Sadie, Internal Combustion. Just going down the top 50 right here. Who else do we got? Green Candle, he's been there, still watches my videos. Brink of Speed, he is a big car YouTuber now. He was under like 2,000 or 7,000 subscribers when he followed me. I'm not sure if he watches any of my videos, but I appreciate you just supporting me, and he's up to 22,500 now. He's got a C8 Corvette, it's pretty sweet. Probably just go through a couple of these real quick. Who else do we got here that pops out? Alyssa, huge shout out, love you. Awesome Corvette. A lot of my shout outs go to on my featured page right here. Tack It Up, of course. Matt is hot, Aquarium Bros. Coderman, Rowan Brain, I've already gone through most of these people. So those are some of my biggest followers right there on my featured page, so check them out. Always been huge supporters of me, and I appreciate that. Another one sounds familiar, an apologist. And then obviously ones that are not on this list from the top 150 or 200 subscribers. Big ballers, shout out, bro. We got Christian S, I believe that was his name. He hasn't been here for a while, but he was a big supporter at the time. Also, who we got? I know I'm already missing people, but I know your icons. We got Matt, Matt R, and we got Mr. Matt or something, another Matt. I think there's 2 Matts. But also on the comments, we got Miggy AL, Anthony Garcia, Eric. Plus we got Scott's a huge one. Appreciate you guys. Kevin again. Raffia 7GT. What else we got? Hopefully I don't miss too many people. Where's the other one? Mr. Matt. Where are you at? Curtis Fish, dude. Appreciate it. All these supporters. Crystal. I really like this icon that you can see how long they've been subscribed for. That's so super cool. So you got 3 months there. Eric with the 8 months. That's just super cool. Miggy with the 5 months. I feel like a Twitch shout out person right now. Scott with the 9 months. Strain with the 2 months. So these are my public subscribers here. So where's Mr. Matt at or whatnot? I can't find him with the green icon. So I'm obviously missing some there. But we got Yellow Vet with like the 2. There's Matthew R right there with the top comments, most hearts. One of the 3 that I've seen with that icon. Mr. Matt, I can't find you right now. I'm apologizing, but I believe that's used to be Pepsi. Changed his name from Pepsi Sylvia or something like that. So huge shout out to you. You know who you are. What else we got? I'm gonna obviously gonna be missing someone here. Kevin, obviously the other Kevin. K-Rock, or not, your name's not even Kevin. I always call you Kevin, I'm sorry. I think it's Khalid, so shout out to you, brother. Obviously gonna miss some other people here. Bruce L. Who else we got? Saint Otto. Mike, my boy Mike. This is top 50 subscriber count, so some of the biggest channels that follow me. So nothing crazy. Probably Pat Roel maybe might be in there. Anyways, might be another one in there that I'm missing. But anyways, guys, thanks so much. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome, and just your support and comments and interaction means a lot to me. And you guys are basically like my community, and I appreciate that. Just knowing that I've made so many friends on YouTube is just awesome. And that should about wrap it up. Obviously, I'm missing some people, and I apologize, but those are the ones that are just on the top of my mind right now on the recent comments and top and longest subscribers. So anyways, guys, thanks so much. I appreciate it. That should do it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Love you guys. Peace.